This is a MacBook Pro 17-inch Unibody hard drive replacement. Quick step-by-step. Step 1. Power down, unplug, and remove the rear case screws. Step 2. Remove the battery and place it on an anti-static mat. Step 3. Disconnect the hard drive cable slowly and keep the connector aligned. Step 4. Unscrew the drive bracket and lift the hard drive straight up. Inspect the connector and the bay for dust or damage before installing the new drive. Step 5. Position the replacement hard drive and align the SATA connector precisely. Secure the drive bracket with screws. Tighten snugly but do not over-torque. Reconnect the hard drive cable slowly and ensure it seats fully and evenly. Reinstall the battery and replace the rear case, tightening all screws evenly. Power on the MacBook and confirm the new drive appears in System Report. Checklist: new drive, screws, screwdriver, anti-static mat. Safety tips: ground yourself and back up data.